This aloo paratha, mashallah. Crispy, brown, spicy.
Let's watch my mom make aloo paratha, which is basically a crispy flatbread stuffed with a spicy potato filling.
Zyada crispy.
Now when you think of breakfast, you may think of eggs, toast, bagels and cream cheese, but for those who know, aloo paratha with a sweet yogurt sauce is definitely a breakfast of champs. To get started, she begins by boiling some potatoes until they're fork tender, and then she'll take them to a bowl and remove the skin. Once the skin is removed, she'll mash this up, but not so much so that it's like mashed potatoes, because you still want a bit of texture. To season, she adds salt, cumin seeds, black caraway seeds, ground coriander, and chili powder. She'll give this a quick mix, and then she'll also add chopped up cilantro and mint. Give this a thorough mix, and this is basically your spicy potato filling. Make sure you taste for seasoning, and if all is well, now you just have to prepare the dough. You can check out my other videos on how to make paratha, but once you make the dough balls, you just want to flatten it out with your fingertips, and then once that's ready, you can grab your rolling pin and begin making little circles. Once it gets to around this size, you can get a good handful of your spicy potato filling and fill up the bottom portion of the dough, and make sure you don't go all the way to the edge, because you have to take your second piece of dough and lay this one on top so it covers everything. Now lightly crimp the perimeter with your fingertips, and carefully with your rolling pin start making this into a larger circle. Make sure you don't add too much pressure or else it will rip or get stuck to the counter. Once it gets to around this size, you want to take your flat pan, also known as a tawa, and get this on medium-high heat and slap it on there. Generously add oil or butter or ghee and get each side nice and golden brown.
Oof, mashallah.
Oof.